everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while since I've done a video. This is going to be a little bit different video today. We're not really going to be talking about any mods. Well, there's one. One mod I did to Extreme Ray is I purchased a pair of OEM GM splash guards for a C6, and when I was putting them on my son's car last Christmas, I thought, man, that'd be great if those would fit my car. Well, I did some looking around and I realized that the back ones with a little bit of trimming will fit the front. So I got my grinder with a flat brush on it, and I did a little bit of surgery to them, and I actually got them on there. They look really, really good, and it keeps the rocks from kicking up on the sides of the doors. But actually, the purpose of this video is to say goodbye to Extreme Ray. For those of you that are following my Instagram, you know that I've sold it. And there's reasons I caught a lot of flack, but what a lot of people don't understand is that in April my wife passed away. So I really built the car for her and I to enjoy later in life when I retire, and to go on road trips and stuff. And now that she's not here, it doesn't really hold the same meaning. But she did get to enjoy it for about a year and a half after it was done. And both my boys got to drive it and thrash on it. And so, you know, that gives me joy too, the fact that they were able to enjoy it. So I have a hard time driving it. And I thought maybe it could just go to a better home. So I didn't really advertise it hard. I just put it on the Corvette forum and Digital Corvettes, and one of my followers, Ken Allen, whom you'll meet later, he saw it, and he's a Corvette guy. He's had many. He has a couple still, and he is going to give it a good home. So, and you know, Ken and I formed a friendship through all of this. So it'll be nice to have somebody to visit in another part of the country. Be able to see what is going on with him, how the car is doing. And if you have seen the Instagram, you'll know that I bought a 2017 Grand Sport. So I think I'm done building cars for a while for myself. I'm going to work on my son's Jeep. We're going to do a Hemi swap. My 14-year-old neighbor Addie got an early Jeep Wrangler also. She'll be 15 here probably fairly soon, and then she'll get a license within a year. So I'm going to help her fix that up. And but basically, I just wanted a newer Corvette, a Grand Sport, to drive back and forth across the country and visit friends and family, because that's what's really important to me now. So that's the reason I'm selling it. There were people that thought maybe I would regret my decision, or I would miss it. And I'm certainly going to miss it. I'm definitely going to. I'm definitely going to miss driving it. First of all, it's twice the car the Grand Sport is in as far as acceleration and speed, and the handling is not that far off. Obviously, you got a computer control and everything, but I did a pretty good job on that one, and it sticks to it'll stick to the road like glue. And you put a set of summer tires on that car, and yeah, I don't think the Grand Sport has stand a chance. But you know, all the other stuff's cool, and I really enjoy it. So, but I do have some other things in store. I'm definitely going to do a series on the Grand Sport. Key and end filter, obviously, first thing right off the bat. Probably replace all of the black plastic trim from the wide body kit in carbon fiber, and I will do videos on how that goes and the quality of the parts. I'm going to get them from a company called C7 Carbon. It's not necessarily strictly C7 generation. They make carbon fiber parts for C4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So they seem like a good company. My son has done a lot of research on them, and I pretty much trust his judgment at this point. So with that being said, yeah, it was a good car. I really enjoyed it, and she'll be missed, but I will start making new memories with this car, with my two sons and with friends and family. So that's why that's going down. All right, well, with me today I have Ken Allen. He's the new owner of Extreme Ray. He flew all the way from Maine to pick it up, and I'll go ahead and introduce you to him. All right, everybody, this is Ken Allen. He's the new owner of Extreme Ray. Ken is not new to Corvettes. He's got a couple of his own. Why don't you just tell us a quick history about you and Corvettes and what attracted you to my car, Ken?
So I've always wanted a C3 since I was a toddler. So in the 70s, I've seen these rolling around. I've always wanted one. It took me a long time to finally get one, and then I got crazy about it. And then I got two, and then I got three, and then I was selling and buying them. And I've been watching your channel from the beginning, every episode, and I'd watch it 10 times. I'd pause it, and just a fabulous build. If any of you guys have watched it, the build is fabulous.
No, I appreciate that.
Yeah, I mean it's unbelievable. So, the moment I found out he was selling it, I even posted something. I said, well, at one time it wasn't for sale, or it was never for sale, and timing was everything, and I couldn't pass up the opportunity. This thing is unbelievable. It is 10 times better in person than any of those videos or pictures. It is unbelievable.
Well, that's the highest compliment that I can get from the car, and I'm glad you appreciate it.
Stunning, not just the looks. We went for a drive. How far did we go for?
It was an 80-mile round trip.
Yeah, and unbelievable. I mean, it was like driving in a C5 and with power.
Lots of power.
Pretty scary stuff.
Lots of power.
Oh my goodness, it is. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's
well, thank you.
Yeah. So super excited.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, Ken Allen from Maine came down to purchase Extreme Ray. I know he's going to give it a good home. He's going to take care of it. Got a new friendship basically because of the sale. Yep. I'm going to miss it, but I'm not sad it's going. I got the new C7 Grand Sport that I'll have some videos out on soon, and eventually I'll make it up to Maine, and Ken and I will be able to visit and go on a road trip together. So, hey, thank you guys for tuning in and subscribing, and we're going to have another video out on the Honda Element. I'm going to be selling that. Just a quick video on that, and I'm going to have another Cadillac video for my son's CTS. We're going to do the rear bumper fascia from the V on that with the different exhaust outlet, and I'm going to order some carbon fiber parts for the Grand Sport. So stick around, look for those videos to come out in the next couple months, and please subscribe. Thanks.